With the 911's future assured, 1983 saw the launch of a replacement for the successful SC series. It was the May 1984 911 3.2 Carrera, reviving the Carrera name for the first time since 1977. The 911 3.2 Carrera was the last iteration in the original 911 series, with all subsequent models featuring new body styling with new brake, electric, and suspension technologies. With the new engine, power was increased to 207 bhp at 5,900 rpm for North American delivered cars and the 231 bhp at 5,900 rpm for most other markets. This version of the 911 accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds and had a top speed of 150 miles per hour.